Hi there, this is Steve, and this is another Excel video tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert a PDF to Excel. And this is something that a lot of people struggle with, including myself, because Excel is just not really set up to do that. So we're going to kind of hack it by converting it first to Word and then to Excel. And if you've ever tried to convert it straight to Excel, you probably got something that looked about like this, right? Look familiar? Okay, well, we're going to work around that. So let's go to a blank screen and I'll show you how easy it is to just do it through Word, because Word converts it better, okay? So first, let me find my file. And I have a PDF here. And this is just a really simple PDF. I opened it up and it pops up in my browser window because that's my default PDF viewer. But you can see we just have names and addresses. And of course you could have a huge version of this, but it's a little easier to keep track of if it's small. So there's our PDF, and you can see the extension .pdf. So what we're going to do is first we're going to open up Word, and we're going to open this in a blank document in Word. So we're going to go File, Open, and I'm going to browse so I make sure I get the right one. And we're going to go with this one, the PDF document here. And this is the important part when you get to Word. It's just telling you that it's going to try and optimize it and convert it for you. So you're just going to click OK. And there it's dropped it into Excel, or Word I mean. And then you can either click and drag to select it, or you can go to Select and Select All, and then right click and copy. Go back to Excel, click in a blank cell, and you can just either Control V or right click and paste. And we'll just say keep source formatting. And now you see we have our same PDF sorted into columns in our Excel spreadsheet. And I don't know about you, but I think it looks a heck of a lot better than that one did. So just a couple side notes. If you have headings in your PDF, sometimes they'll get a little bit messed up, and you just have to go back in and kind of do some manual repair on it. But even in that scenario, you're still going to have a much closer approximation to the spreadsheet that you're hoping for than you would had you not taken that one extra step to go and use Word as an intermediary. So I hope that's helpful to you. I know that that can be a huge pain in the butt, so I hope that has saved somebody a headache. And if you like this video, click like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and if you want to be a total rock star, please check out my courses in the description below. I teach courses on Udemy and on Skillshare, and they basically are to take beginning Excel students who maybe struggle with Excel and turn them into Excel masters slowly and gently and without all the hair pulling that most of us experience when we try to learn Excel. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.